Hello viewers, how do you do today? There is a lot of time has been taken to communicate with you. I hope that so you can understand because I was somewhat busy with some things. So now in this class I would like to tell you a brief nutshell about the past continuous tense. How the past continuous tense can be seen in different forms. How the past continuous tense seen in general way. How the past continuous tense is linked with another tenses. And also we find the past continuous tense, the definition we discuss now in this class. The past continuous tense in the sense, you just think about that the continuous tense, wherever you find the continuous in any tenses, that is nothing but it is in progress. Whether it is present continuous tense or whether it is past continuous tense or whether it is future continuous tense, continuous tense in the sense it is in progress. So now we learn the past continuous tense. The past continuous tense, it talks about the action which was there in progress, at the particular time in the past. The action which was there in progress at the particular time in the past is called past continuous tense. For example, I was going to the market. I was going to the market. I was studying. I was studying. I was cooking. Of course, when you are talking about the past continuous tense, you can mention the time indicators. The time reference is also important when we are addressing past continuous tense. For example, yesterday I was going to market. The day before yesterday I was cooking. Likewise, whatever the time indicators or the time reference in the past time indicators can be used while addressing past continuous tense. So now, this is once again, the action which was there in progress at the time of speaking, or the action which was there in progress at the particular time in the past is called past continuous tense. I was playing. Yesterday I was playing chess by this time. You can mention exactly the time. Also, reference is also very important while talking about the past continuous tense. Yesterday I was making a cup of coffee by this time. Yesterday I was going to the market by this time. So this is the time reference when the action which was there in progress in the past, that is already in progress in the past, in the particular time in the past is called the past continuous tense. So I already told you that, my dear students or the well-wishers, when you are learning the particular tense, whatever the tense, whether it is present continuous tense or past continuous tense or future continuous tense, you should try to understand the remaining tenses. For example, in this class we are learning past continuous tense. When you are learning the past continuous tense, you should focus the present continuous tense. What is present continuous tense? The action which is there in progress at present. The action which is there in progress at present. That means when we are learning the past continuous tense, the action which was there in progress in the past. Likewise, when you are learning with this connection, then you can get command over the language. You can get command over the tenses. This is a very important point which try to understand. Now, so this is the statement. So I was doing homework. You can write I was doing my homework. Otherwise, take the sentence I was doing homework. I was doing homework in the sense what's the exact meaning in the sentence? Was is nothing but the time indicator. Was, it indicates the action that was already in the past. Was is the B form. Was is the B form. It indicates the past time. That is why the action which was already going on, I was doing homework. When yesterday I was doing homework. Okay, the day before yesterday I was doing homework. Likewise, if you construct the sentence, it is very easy to getting what you call it is very easy to get command the particular tense. Now I was not doing homework. I was not doing homework. This is a negative question. So already I told you, when the be form or the helping verb after the subject, it comes in the beginning of the sentence. Was I doing homework? Was I doing homework? So likewise, the question is asking ourselves, or else in one way the question is asking myself, was I doing homework? So here, this is the question. And now question tag. After question mark is important. The simple modification, the simple change, just helping verb, beginning of the sentence, then the sentence becomes question. Now go for question tag. What is question tag? Question tag is different, nothing but it is different between the question and question tag. When we are getting some confirmation, sometimes we are getting some confirmation, definitely we ask a question tag. Wasn't I? For example, I was doing homework. You were doing homework. My sister was doing homework. My brother was doing homework. Wasn't he? So, weren't you? That means, are you doing homework? This is the confirmation. When we want to get a confirmation, question tag is to be asked. So, that is, the negative question tag is wasn't I, and positive question tag is was I. Okay? When the statement is positive, negative question tag. When the statement is negative, positive question tag is to be placed. And now take another subject. We were doing homework. We were not doing homework. Were we doing homework? Weren't we? Were we? So because I have not written the complete subject, because those who have been watching my videos, please complete the total subjects like we, you, they, he, she, it. So you can write negative question tag, and double H questions, and passive voice also you write in your worksheet. So now, and one more thing I would like to tell you about the past continuous tense. This tense, especially when I talk about the simple past tense and the present continuous tense and present perfect tense and present perfect continuous tense. But this tense is somewhat peculiar because sometimes when we communicate the two actions at the same time, sometimes we speak two actions at the same time. The two actions or activities that are to be done in the same particular time. That actions are to be expressed in past continuous tense, in the past. See here, when I was going to the bus station, somebody called me. So in this sentence, we find the two actions are expressed at the same time. So here, the linker in this past continuous tense, we find two linkers are there, that are when and while. When and while. These are the two linkers which can be accessed in the past continuous tense. For example, when I was going to the bus station, somebody called me. In this sentence, we find the past continuous tense has to be placed in the first. After that, simple past tense is placed after that. Because once the action was going on, after that another action happened. Once the action was going on, actually when I was going to the market, when I was going to the bus station, this action was going on, first row. After that, another action happened. That is simple past tense. Somebody called me. Of course, some people will get doubt You can write, somebody called me when I was going to the bus station. Somebody called me when I was going to the bus station. So here in this, I would like to explain once again. This tense, past continuous tense, can be also expressed with another tense when we want to express two actions at the same time that are happened in the past. That is, when I was going to the market, when I was going to the market, I met my friend. I met my friend. So here, the action, first action, that is past continuous tense. After that, another action happened, that is simple past tense. At the same time, we find another actions also, expressed in the past continuous tense. For example, two actions that are in the past, two actions were going on. The two actions are activities that are still going on in the past. These expressions also can be used in past continuous tense. I was studying while my father was making dinner. So when I was, while, you can write here. So I was studying, this is the past continuous tense. I was studying. Yesterday, I was studying while my father was making dinner. Otherwise, you can say that while my father was making dinner, my father, or you can write my mother, no problem. So while my father was making dinner, I was studying. Otherwise, you can write these linker while I was studying, you can write here first the indicator, this is the linker can be placed in the beginning of the sentence. While I was studying, my father was making a cup of coffee. My father was making dinner. So in this sentence, for example, we find the two actions were in progress at the particular time. Two actions were progress in the past that are in the particular time. Both are past continuous tense. Also can be used when we want to talk about or express in the both actions in the past. So this is what I want to share with you in this class today. So in the next coming session, I will be back with a new topic or a new grammar topic. Thank you very much. Have a nice time. Please subscribe my channel and if you like this video, please like the button and subscribe my channel and tap the bell icon and to get the latest notifications. Thank you very much.